everybody. Look, I had an incident with a nail gun. So, obviously, no, I'm just kidding. I would be in agonizing pain right now or dead if this were real. I did this, and I'm going to show you in this video how. Yeah, I hope you like it. It's very simple. I had some problems with the longer ones, so I think that I used coffee stirrers, so I think I should cut them shorter because the shorter ones seem to be hanging in there a lot better. So this is just a aged blood I got in the Halloween department of Walmart, and I figured with the nail there, I'd have some blood on my mouth, and with the nail in my nose, I'd have some coming out of that nostril. So that's why I put blood there, but like a porcupine. And I wanted to put a few in my hand and like some wounds here, so it would look like I put my hand up and they shot through my hand and got in my face, and I pulled my hand away. But that was proven to be a little too challenging for a beginner like me. So anyway, there we go. Watch this tutorial and I hope you enjoy it. I hope it helps you, inspire you, or you know, whatever. So thanks so much for watching and enjoy this. All right, just tell me when I can start talking. Okay, so to make the nails, we're using coffee stirrers, and I'm cutting them. They don't all have to be exactly the same length because, you know, the nails, you know, we got attacked by a nail gun, so they're going to be different depths in the skin. So we'll do this one a couple different lengths. Okay, so we want to take a candle, and I learned this technique from a pin on Pinterest, and you have to be real careful because you want a flat end on both sides, one end for the head of the nail and one end so it'll glue flat on your face with the skin adhesive. So here we go. We're just gonna go into the flame. Excuse me. And okay, so I funked that one all up, so we'll just trim that end off because you don't want to leave it on the flame too long, because if you leave it in there too long, then it gets too melty. But if you don't leave it in there long enough, then it doesn't get melty enough. So see, that's good enough. Can you see that? Do I need to put my hand right here, Marshall?
I can see it.
Okay, so you get a nice flat end, and then you do it on the other end. And we're just going to make a bunch of these because I'm not sure how many I'm going to need. So we're going to work on these, and then we're going to spray paint them all silver. And when I get to that step, I'll show you how that's done. Here we go. Here's what they look like. And we're going to spray paint them in this box. Oh. And this is why I have one in this little box. This is better than sticking them in styrofoam to do it. Okay. And that should be good. We want it to dry, but every few minutes we want to give it a shake so they're not sticking to the cardboard. So that's it for right now. Did Tina do something wrong? I wish I had a Home Depot smock though, that would be perfect. Well, I'm not going to murder a Home Depot employee so I could take their smock. That hardly seems logical to me. Seems kind of extreme. Okay, that's it. So that's it. That's how I did it. Very simple, very basic, very, um, you know, 101, I guess. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to my channel because I am going to be I'm going to be showing you how I do a dangling eyeball using ping pong eyeballs from the Dollar Tree and red yarn. I'm going to be attempting a cobra. I've never done something like that before, so we'll see if I can do a cobra. I was gonna make a headpiece like that, but I decided I think I'm just gonna put some fake hair in and tease it and just be like a cobra woman. So I'm really excited about Halloween, and I hope I can come up with some fun Halloween makeup tutorials for y'all. I think that's it. I was thinking about using gelatin this year, but I hear it stinks really bad, and I'm so sensitive to smell, so I may not be able to do that, but I will see what happens. I'll buy this stuff and try. It's not really expensive, so all I can do is try. But thanks so much for watching. I'm going to go clean this up now, and I will talk to all of you later. Bye!